Hey everybody, I'm Gunnarolla, world traveler, food lover, and I'm always on the road. So today I've teamed up with Google to take you on a day in my life to show you how I stay productive with the Pixel Slate. This morning starts out as most of my mornings do, answering emails and reviewing my calendar. I use Google Apps because they'll sync across all of my devices, whether I'm on desktop or mobile phone. I put everything into my Google Calendar and I set up alerts that I can get on my Pixel phone to keep me on track. It's a travel day and I'm packing light. With the detachable keyboard, the Pixel Slate comes in at just under 3 pounds, so it's very compact and portable. Super important when you're on the go. It uses a USB-C power adapter that I can also use to charge my Pixel phone. It's great that everything is compatible and I don't have a mess of cables in my bag. It's so important to be able to multitask across different devices because there is so much hurry up and wait involved in travel. Inspiration can strike at any moment, and sometimes I'll need to quickly take notes on my phone. Other times I'll be waiting around and want to use a keyboard or the Pixelbook pen. With the Pixel Slate, you've got access to the apps that you'd have on your Android phone and any web-based applications. For example, there's Adobe Lightroom for photo editing. My entire library is stored in the cloud, so I can access and edit photos across my Pixel, Pixel Slate, and desktop. Of course, it's not just great for work. The Pixel Slate makes a great device for entertainment, especially on long flights. You can access Wi-Fi or download content for viewing offline. I've landed and I'm straight into a client meeting. With its big screen and great speakers, the Pixel Slate is the ideal device if I need to show past work or go over plans. It's got just under 10 hours of battery life, which is about as long as a normal working day, on a good day. It's also got a great camera, and with Google Duo, I can keep in touch with everyone back home. The Pixel Slate has been a great addition to my workflow when I'm on the go. It's easy to use, it syncs really well with all of my existing Google apps and devices, and it's portable and versatile, which makes it great for travel. How do you stay productive on the go? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you next time. À la prochaine.